Hey there mga momsies! Welcome back on my channel. For today's video, mag-a-unpack tayo ng aking mga pinamili sa Shein this year, 2026. I think this is my first purchase sa Shein sa taon na ito. Alright? But before anything else, mga momsies, you know the drill. Make sure you have subscribed on my channel and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss my new uploads every week. Alright, so let's start off. Eto. Ayan siya. O, di ba? It was actually delivered like 2 days ago, pero ngayon lang tayo nagkaroon ng time. So, let's see kung ano na naman itong mga pinamili ni Mom Z. Okay, I only got a few clothes this time. Alam niyo naman ako, more on mga pang-household yung mga pinamimili ko sa Shein. So, clothes number 1. Mamaya natin siyang buksan mga mamsis. Number 2. Okay. Number 3. And, yeah, I think this is a, ano ba to? Parang swimwear? Yeah, so basically, parang tatlong set of clothes lang. Dalawang dress, and then isang skirt na maong, and then tong swimwear. Okay? And, eto na. Let's start off with this one. This is a curling item na, you know, to curl your hair. I still have an obsession talaga sa mga products when it comes to curling hair. As you can see, new haircut ako. I had a new haircut like a few days ago. May tinatry akong i-achieve. Kaso lang, since bagong haircut pa lang siya, hindi nyo pa masyadong ma-appreciate yung form niya. But siguro in maybe 2 weeks time, makikita na yung kanyang form. Anyway, going back here, so of course, I like purple. So I got the shade or the color purple. And gagawan ko to ng review. Let's see if effective siya. Based naman kasi sa mga nakikita ko, effective naman siya. Okay, moving on. Ito naman, tig-isa na kami ng daughter ko. Kasi the one I bought, she's the one using it. Ito naman, kung you know, pagbasa yung hair mo, since ito medyo mahaba-haba na and ayaw kong nababasa dito yung shirt, especially in the morning when they have to go to school kasi malamig, 'di ba? Para iwas sipon ng mga bata. So, may tawag din dito nakalimutan ko lang kung ano. Flash ko na lang on the screen mga momsies. Alright, this one is a sandwich, parang baon. Anong tawag nito? Not baon, but I mean lalagyan ng baon ng mga bata for their sandwich. Yan. The one I bought kasi, nasira na yung kanyang lock. Kaka-open, di ba? Uy, parang may konti siyang damage. Aww. But I think this is better kasi para siyang yung mga lunch box talaga nila na ganito yung takip. So, I think mas matagal to masira yung cover niya. So, of course, I got two. Tig-isa sila ng aking kiddos. Okay. Next. Ano na naman to? Minsan nakakalimutan ko ano yung mga pinagbibili ko. Oh, this one, this is like a shoe. Anong tawag nito? Parang sole on the shoes or parang sa likod para hindi ka masugat. Especially when you've got a new shoes, right? How about this? Ang cute ng lalagyan. Okay. The first one I bought is mine. But then, nakita ng daughter ko, so she got it. I bought another one. Ito na lang yung kanya because she likes this color. Okay? And she's into playing volleyball right now. And, oh my gosh, when I tried it, ang sakit. Ang sakit sa arm talaga. Kaya I have to buy another one para tig-isa kami at hindi kami mag-away. Diba? Ayan. Another shoe. Parang toe socks siya mga mamsis. Kasi ayaw kong nagsusuot ng shoes. May it be rubber shoes or yung mga sandals na wala akong suot na socks. Or yung mga ganito lang. Yung parang sa toes lang talaga. Ayaw ko. Parang basta ayaw ko. Kailangan meron ako mga ganito. I have a lot of those actually. Ito naman. Ito pang household na to. Ito nakita ko, lalagyan ng langgana sa CR. Kasi what I do before I take a bath or before I do my things on the bathroom, nilalabhan ko yung uniform ng mga kids ko. I mean, I have to soak them, lalo na yung mga uniform nila. So, may planggana. May C-130.
Okay.
Okay. So, as I was saying, may planggana sa CR. May dalawang planggana kami doon where I can soak the uniform of my kids, their socks, ganun. And pakalat-kalat siya. So, I need an organizer. Ayan, ito. Okay? And ito naman, since we are going to travel soon, ito, para yung sa mga liquid nyo, mga momsies, hindi siya mag-leak or if ever mag-leak, hindi mababasa lahat or kung saan nyo siya nilagay. So, this one is a protection. O, di ba? Lalo na yung mga liquid natin, mga shampoo, body wash, ganun. So, this is 2468. 8 caps or 8 cover na siya mga mamsis in one pack. Ayan. So, magagamit ko to. Just in time yung pagdating niya. Eto naman, ano na naman to? Eto na naman tayo sa mga pinamili kong hindi ko alam. But this is just an organizer. I mean, a plastic bag for, parang ziplock siya, kind na organizer. Alright. Konti lang yung binili ko this batch. This is another swimwear, I guess. Pero top lang siya. Ayan. Because wala pa akong blue. And gusto ko yung mga design na ganito, yung bandu. Ayaw ko yung mga plunging masyado kasi walay naman. Diba? Pang summer. So, tamang-tama yung dating niya. Okay. Next. Oh, ito na naman. Another anik-anik ni Mommy Z. Ito lalagyan naman ng tissue sa CR. You know what I use sa CR? I'm using a kitchen tissue. Kasi, when I wipe the toilet cover, yun ang ginagamit ko. And kahit yung mga ibang pwede kong i-wipe sa CR, kitchen tissue ginagamit ko kasi hindi siya madaling alam mo yon yung it tears off, unlike yung regular na bathroom toilet tissue, di ba? Magasto yon. So at least kung kitchen tissue medyo makapal siya, it can hold more water and mas nawa-wipe niya ng maayos also. Tapos dispose mo lang, di ba? For hygienic purposes din. So eto, kailangan ko to. I think what you have to do is to attach this at the side of yung parang tank ng toilet bowl. So again, papakita ko sa inyo how it is when you're using it na. Okay, moving on. Eto, para saan to? Iba kasi when you open it, or I mean, when they send it, right, it's different from where you see it sa ano. Oh, ano to? I think this is oh no. Sa sasakyan. Okay. Kasi pakalat-kalat yung aming mga cellphone minsan, hindi na magkasya dun there's only a small compartment in the car. So I saw this one, papato mo lang siya yung dito sa side mo. Okay, ayan. And then, pwede mo na insert yung cellphone mo here and the cellphone here sa driver. Oh, diba? Para naman may driver tayo. Ako lang naman nagda-drive. Okay, I will try this one now para makita na natin how it is. Okay, konti na lang. Ayan, bumili din ako ng stickers na it says thank you para kung may mga bibigyan ako ng mga gifts or whatsoever dyan. Ayan, lalagyan natin ng thank you note. And this one, okay. This is a jewelry organizer. Of course, purple yung ating pinili because it's my favorite color. Ayan. And nakalimutan ko, nakabili na din pala ako sa isang app. Yan. Ganyan siya, di ba? Para hindi pa kalat yung ating mga jewelry. And pwede nyo siyang ilagay sa bag nyo kasi maliit lang. So, like your earrings, necklace, ring. O, di ba? Tapos, ganyan lang. Pwede na siya dalhin. And you can just put this one in your bag. Di ba? Okay. This one is apron for my kids. Kasi it's summer. So, marami silang chores sa bahay. Binilhan ko sila ng apron. Alright. Konti na lang. Okay. This one for makeup. May mga nakikita kasi akong ganito yung gamit nila when they are spreading their foundation. Parang mas maganda yung application niya when you're using this, especially for liquid products like foundation. So, try nga natin yan if it's effective. This is for, ano naman siya, parang travel bag something. Kung may mga i-attach kang ibang bag sa luggage mo, lalo na pag naglalakad ka sa airport, di ba? Para hindi ka maraming bit-bit or whatsoever. Ito yon para hindi, I mean, multi-purpose kumbaga. So, I've got 3 pieces para, tig-isa kami. Okay. And, ooh, this is like a magnetic, ano to, parang pin. For example, you have a clothes na parang plunging masyado or open masyado dito. Ito lang yung kailangan mong gamitin kasi pin lang siya. Hindi mo na kailangan tahiin, you know? So, I think this is better and reusable siya kumbaga. Okay? This is a sticker naman, wall sticker. Meron kasi akong kailangan takpan sa bathroom namin, or I mean sa where we brush our teeth. So, naghanap na lang ako something na, kasi when you put the sticker, most likely permanent na siya. Kasi once you take it off, matatanggal din yung paint ng wall, di ba? So, ayan na. Bubbles kasi to eh. So, we'll see. Paano ko siya ma-design? And this one, oh, okay. I bought an organizer for the bathroom. Tapos, parang alanganin yung lalagyan niya. So, I have to buy this so I can lift it up a bit and use it. Di ba? Ayan. So, yan. Okay, no more. Wala na. Sige. Tapos na. So, yeah. Basically, those are the things that I bought from Shein. Again, basta isahang order lang, pa-household, personal, everything, you know, Shein lang talaga ako tumatakbo kasi they're very affordable and tested ko na talaga yung quality ng products din nila. So, I've been with Shein for like years. Kung you have to trace on my vlogs, yan, palaging nasa Shein tayo. So, Becky naman, Shein, no? Alright, so yeah, if may nagustuhan kayo sa mga products na nabili ko, please do comment on the comment section and let me know also kung ano yung mga things na nabili nyo na sa Shein. Thank you also to all my viewers who have been commenting on my vlogs. I see you and pasensya na kung minsan hindi ako nakakapag-reply right away, but I definitely read and see your comments, everyone. So, yeah, thank you so much for reaching this far. Again, please do follow me on all my social media platforms and don't forget to subscribe here on my YouTube channel and click the notification bell so you will be notified every time I have a new one. And stay safe tayo always and magtipid. Lalo na sa panahon ngayon, di ba? Just spend what is really yung kailangan natin. I'll see you on my next mga momsies. Godspeed!